What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SS Marco. We got Curtis, slow ass Camaro over there. We ain't gonna speak on that today though, but today we got something else going on. You know what I'm saying? Daniel over there. You said what? But yeah, we're doing springs today, man. Look, I got the car hooked up. That's her wife's car. Boy, that be crazy. What do you call that?
The springs and all the suspension's the same.
Just gonna squeeze. See what's going on. Anyways, we're doing BMR 125. I got them right here. These are the backs. Well, that's the other front. Homie helping me out right here. You want the other ones? Right here. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I apologize. Alright. You know, the last video you had on my channel, this man got 43K views, bro.
Me?
Yeah, that Hellcat video with Boo. Bro, was that his track hawk in that video?
Yeah.
That was? Stay out the sun. Yo. You out the sun now? Yeah, definitely. The shade is... Boom. That's what the car look right now. You got the fronts done. You about to gear out the backs. You know what I'm saying? Really looking sitting nice. Look at that. Got the quad tips. Oh man. Side chick. Alright, this the I think these right here for the back. God damn. That side chick right there. That's my side chick right there. I'm just playing. That's my main.
Take the damn one.
Alright, we got homie. We got this front springs done. Now he's doing the back. It's the man right there. Oh, there you go. That's the his wife. Follow them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Back to the video. Side check over there, you know. They look kind of clean like this though. What you think, honey? Would you trade this in for a Hellcat?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. What about you, bro? Would you trade this in?
I came from Charger.
Oh, for real? You had a Scat?
Yeah.
For real? How you feel about the Scats? Be honest, bro.
Like
and the SS.
I like the Scat Tag is roomy, but I like the SS more.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is that Daniel? Damn, God. That's how you feel? Damn, that's how you feel. I like Scats, bro. They cool.
You should have put SS on the Scat for super slow.
Damn. How you feel about? That's what I got though. I got SS. That's what I have.
I want a CTS.
She said she want a V, bro. CTS V. That shit is nice though, bro. You want to tag yourself at the bottom? Edited by.
Using to edit your videos.
I get most of my shit off this phone. I need a camera. I mean, that's like, what song you said? 405. All right. All done. Tuck color. Boy, chillin'. This one done. That one done. All the springs are done. We're about to put the last tire on and wrap up. But that's what it looks like right now. I think it looks clean. But it's the engine bay. Couple things. Well, yeah, I gotta get it. Holy crap. You like me now, bro?
No,
Bro, we're brothers. Ready?
All you gotta do is let me.
Okay.
This
Boom.
is Curtis's dog right here. No, it's my dog. He loves Curtis.
It's the baby. It's the front.
He's a good judge of character.
I got a couple things done. I had tinted the headlights. I'm blacking this out soon. But yeah, this the final product. All right.